You know, sometimes we don't realize the importance of something until it's too late. We think we have time. We think tomorrow will always come. But what if it doesn't? What happens to the people you love the most? Today, I want to share a story and a lesson that could save your family from heartache and financial stress. I once met a family who lost their father unexpectedly. He was healthy, hardworking, and always said, I'll get life insurance someday. But that someday never came. When tragedy struck, the family had to start a GoFundMe just to pay for the funeral. I've seen the pain in their eyes, not just because of loss, but because of financial worry. That's when I realized life insurance isn't about death. It's about love, protection, and responsibility. We insure our car, our phone, our home, but the one thing that truly keeps everything together, our life, we often forget to protect. The truth is, life insurance is not expensive when you start early. For the price of one cup of coffee a day, you can make sure your family never has to worry. The four advantage that you have life insurance is number one, it replaces your income if something happens to you. Number two, it covers deaths and funeral costs. Number three, it gives your children a chance to continue their dreams. Number four, it gives your partner peace of mind. You don't buy life insurance because you're going to die. You buy it because the people you love are going to live, and they deserve to live comfortably, even when you're not there to provide. Don't wait for a tragedy to open your eyes. I've seen too many families learn this lesson the hard way. Learn it now while you still can. I've met so many people who told me, Cherry, I'll get life insurance someday. Maybe when I'm older or when I make more money. But what they don't realize is life doesn't wait. Tragedy doesn't give us notice. Today, I want to share a life story and a lesson that could protect your family from pain, both emotional and financial. A few years ago, I met a young mother. Let's call her Anna. She and her husband had two beautiful kids. He was healthy, active, and the only one working full time. They always said, we'll get life insurance next year. We're still young. One morning, Anna's husband didn't wake up. He passed away from a sudden heart attack at the age of 36. No warning, no time to prepare, and no life insurance. Imagine the pain, losing the person you love, and at the same time worrying how you'll pay rent, how you feed your children, how you'll cover the funeral cost. Anna told me, Cherry, I thought we had time. I wish someone pushed us to do it sooner. That line never left me. I wish someone pushed us to do it sooner. That's when I realized we don't need to wait for tragedy to learn this lesson. Here's what I want everyone to understand. Life insurance is not about dying. It's about living with peace of mind. Let me put it simply. Life insurance replaces your income if something happens to you. It pays off debts. It gives your family breathing room when you need it most. And the earlier you start, the cheaper it is. It's not about being rich. It's about being responsible. Because love isn't just words. It's what we prepare for those we might one day leave behind. Now, I know talking about death or insurance isn't easy. We avoid it because it's uncomfortable. But comfort doesn't protect families, planning does. Let's be honest. If something happened to you today, could your loved ones continue the life you built for them? Life insurance doesn't just pay bills, it gives your family time to grieve without financial stress. It gives your children the chance to keep their dream alive. It allows your partner to breathe and rebuild. You don't need to buy life insurance because you're going to die. You buy it because the people you love are going to live. Don't wait for the tragedy to wake you up. Don't wait for the regrets to teach you this lesson. Learn it now while you still can. If you're watching this, take this as your sign. Take a few minutes to ask questions. Find out what fits your family and your budget. You don't need to be rich to get life insurance. You just need to start. Start small if you have to. What matters is that you start. Because protecting your family's future is the most powerful act of love you ever do. And if you don't know where to begin with, send me a message. I'll help you understand your options and find a plan that works for you. No pressure, just honest guidance. Don't wait for a tragedy to learn this lesson. Prepare today so the people you love never have to struggle tomorrow. This is Cherry reminding you, protect what matters most.